Welcome back viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the network sharing section and the local disk section of Mageia Control Center. So in the network sharing section, you can configure the Windows or the SMB shared drives and directories. You can share drives and directories with other Windows SMB systems. Then you can configure the network file system shares using this. So you can share drives and directories using NFS. You can access shared drives and directories on other systems, and you can also configure the web DAV shares using this configuration. So I cannot show you right now because I require a Windows shared drive and directory connected to my network. So that all configuration I have to do to show you how it works. So maybe in some other video we will check this out. Now let us head over to the local disk. So you can manage the disk partitions from here. So here you can see the disk partitions that we have done. So we have got a boot 998 MB, swap is 1.9 MB, and 32 GB of the root partition is there. You can see it here, and you can check out the mount points, device information, file system, everything using this. And size is 91% of the disk is used by the root file system for the root partition. You can see the Linux swap, 5% of disk has been used by Linux swap, 2% of disk is by the boot, and other information is there. So the boot sector file system is generalized FS extended 4. Swap has got the swap file system, and you got the extended 4 generalized file system for the root partition. That's it. So you can manage your disk partitions from here. You can manage your DVD ROMs from here. So it will not open because we don't have the DVD attached to this system, and you can change the settings like mount point, options, type, and type of the DVD CD that is attached in this. So for example, in mount point, you can change the mount point of the CD DVD that is attached to your system. That's it. So where you want to mount, so you can give the path to mount your CD or DVD. So it's very simple, basic, and it works. So now we will check out share your hard disk partitions. So you can share your hard disk partitions. So no sharing is there, then certain partitions cannot be shared between the multiple users on the system, or you can allow different users, or you can also give the disk quota to the different users. You can see here, you can also create a SMB and NFS partition, you can say partitions. So your partitions you can share with other SMB and NFS systems, and you can also export your we can say export your configuration of your hard disk partitions using NFS and SMB. So other users can import them, and then this you can share the files between the two systems. For example, if I create a SMB one, so you can see here the package Samba needs to be installed. So it will automatically install the Samba package. And once this Samba is installed, you can do further configuration. So it's very simple and automatic. Everything is automatic. Just user has to give certain inputs, and rest of the configuration is automatic. The per user sharing uses the group file share, and you can use user direct to add the user to this group. So what I will do is I will go here. I will open it in edit mode. Then I have to search for the user direct. I have to add the user to the user direct. Where it was, yes, I have to add myself to the Samba. And where is, yes, so I added myself to the Samba. That's it, I think. So we are done. We can also check whether the group has been added. You can see it here. You have to add yourself to the Samba. That's it. Okay, so this is something like this you have to do to share your hard disk partitions with the other Samba and the NFS users or nodes, or you can say terminals or clients of NFS and Samba. So I will stop the video here. In the next video, we will check out the security section of Mageia Control Center. Bye bye.